Hey everyone, today, we're heading up to the skies together because we're taking a close look at the top 5 best drones of 2025. Whether you're flying just for fun or for professional content creation, we've tested and reviewed each model one by one, focusing on speed, camera quality, range, and value for money. If you're wondering, which drone should I buy, this video is definitely for you. And as always, we're not just talking specs here, we're sharing real-world experience. So if you're ready, let's get those cameras up in the air. Let's jump into the video. One of the most impressive names in the game, DJI Mavic 4 Pro. This is a drone that even platforms like Tom's Guide have awarded a rare 5-star rating. Why? Because it's currently one of the most powerful consumer drones on the market, and when it comes to camera quality, it's truly at the top. First, let's talk cameras. It comes equipped with not one, but 3 cameras. 100MP Hasselblad main camera, 50MP telephoto lens, 48MP medium telephoto lens. This machine can shoot 6K at 60 FPS. Yes, you heard that right, 6K resolution. It also supports 4K 60 FPS both horizontally and vertically, FHD 60 FPS, and 10-bit for 222 to video, capturing a whopping 1.07 billion colors. For color grading and professional post-production, it includes D-Log and D-Log-M profiles. So everything you need for editing is already baked in. Storage is also well thought out. You get 64 gigabytes of internal storage, or, if you go for the creator combo, a massive 512 gigabytes of internal storage. Plus, there's a slot for an extra SD card. The new DJI Air Pro 2 controller comes with it, featuring a 7-inch mini LED screen with a crazy 2000 nits of brightness. And here's a slick detail. When you rotate the controller's screen 90 degrees, the drone's gimbal automatically switches to vertical mode. No need to dive into settings. Flight safety is fully covered. Thanks to next-gen omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, flying safely even in low-light environments is no problem at all. Bottom line, DJI Mavic 4 Pro is the perfect solution for photographers, video production teams, or anyone serious about creating professional aerial content. Sure, it's not cheap, but finding this level of performance, features, and ease of use elsewhere is almost impossible. If you're looking for a drone at this level, the Mavic 4 Pro deserves to be at the very top of your list. Here it is, the Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus. If you're looking for a solid alternative to DJI, Autel is definitely worth considering. Plus, some of their models are manufactured in the US, which is a big plus for many people. Let's start with the camera specs. This drone shoots stunning 6K video at 30 FPS. Yep, you heard that right, 6K video. And thanks to its 1-inch sensor, it delivers excellent low-light performance and detail. It also captures 20-megapixel photos. Sure, it doesn't have a dual camera setup like the DJI Air 3S, but the quality of that main camera really holds its own. Autonomous features and safety. Just like we see with the DJI Air 3S, the Evo Lite Plus comes with smart flight modes and obstacle detection. So you get plenty of support while flying. Battery life is another highlight, up to 40 minutes of flight time. That's more than enough for long shoots or casual flying, and the maximum range? 7.5 miles, or roughly 12 kilometers, as long as there aren't any major obstacles in the way. Who is it ideal for? People looking for a non-DJI option. Professionals or semi-professionals working with video or photography. Anyone looking for long battery life and high-resolution video. Bottom line, Autel Robotics Evo Lite Plus is a solid choice. Great balance of price and performance, packed with useful features, and if 6K video matters to you, this drone definitely delivers. Our next guest, the Potensic Atom 2. The first-gen Atom was already a fan favorite, but the Atom 2? It's definitely stepped things up a notch. First up, the camera features. The Atom 2 can shoot 48-megapixel photos. Yep, you heard that right. While the DJI Mini 4K only offers 12 MP, this one goes all the way up to 48 MP. It records 4K at 30 FPS, and now it also supports FHD 120 FPS slow motion. So you can get some really nice slow-mo shots as well. The control experience is also well thought out. With the updated Potensic Atom app and the redesigned controller, it's super easy to use. Even if it's your very first time flying a drone, you'll figure it out quickly. Of course, it has return to home, smart flight modes, and AI subject tracking too. One quick note, there's no obstacle avoidance sensor. So don't expect advanced safety like on the DJI Air 3S. You'll need to fly a bit more carefully. Flight time is around 32 minutes, which is solid for this category. Overall verdict, if you're thinking, I don't need DJI, I just want a solid drone without breaking the bank, Potensic Atom 2 is definitely worth a spot on your list. With its camera features, night mode, and ease of use, the price-to-performance ratio is really impressive. A truly special product, the DJI Air 3S. The Air 3S is seriously ideal both for professional work and for just having fun. First up, the camera side. This thing shoots 4K 60 FPS video, supports RAW photos, and with D-Log-M, you get a much wider dynamic range. Perfect for anyone who loves color grading, but it doesn't stop there. It can also shoot 4K 120 FPS slow motion. And yes, you can record 9:16 vertical videos for TikTok or Instagram, an absolute gift for content creators. It comes with a dual camera system. One is a 50 MP wide-angle camera, and the other is a 48 MP medium telephoto camera with a full 9x zoom. You can capture sharp details even from a distance. Now, what about the flying experience? The Air 3S features smart obstacle avoidance and advanced return-to-home technology. It can even find its way back home on its own if GPS isn't available. A quick note, since it weighs more than 249 grams, registration is required in the US with the FAA and in the UK with the CAA. It's definitely worth downloading the DJI Fly app to check up-to-date flight restrictions. If you're looking to create professional-level aerial content while also having a portable and fun-to-fly drone, the DJI Air 3S should definitely be at the top of your list. I want to talk about something a little different from your classic drones, something more fun, simple, and practical, the HoverAir X1 Pro. Let's start with the camera features. The HoverAir X1 Pro shoots 4K video at 60 FPS. You also get FHD resolution with 120 FPS slow motion capability. If you're after even higher specs, the Pro Max model takes things up a notch with 8K video at 30 FPS. Plus, Pro Max supports 4K 10-bit HLG recording. So if you care about color grading, detail, and dynamic range, Pro Max is definitely the one to check out. What's the actual flying experience like? Don't let the selfie drone label fool you. These aren't just for hovering in place and snapping pictures. Perfect for snow sports, cycling, outdoor content. With just one button, smart flight modes activate automatically. And if you want full manual control, you can fly it using your smartphone app or an optional dedicated controller. To sum it up real quick, HoverAir X1 Pro is aimed more at hobby use and active sports. It's foldable, super easy to carry, and way more convenient than your typical FPV or camera drones. Bottom line, you don't have to stick with DJI. Especially if you're into selfie drones or want something made for TikTok, Instagram, and similar platforms, definitely check out the HoverAir X1 Pro. I introduced the best products for you. I hope you have decided on the product you are looking for. Don't forget to subscribe and like to see you in the next video.